Good morning, everyone. The sun is shining. It is time to wake up.
I am making breakfast. We are having pancakes today.
I smell something good. Is Dad cooking?
Yes, Mike. It smells like pancakes. Let's go downstairs.
Please sit down. Be careful, the plates are hot.
These look delicious. Can I have the syrup, please?
Here you go, son.
Huh?
Do not pour too much syrup.
Mom, do we have any plans for today?
It is Saturday.
Actually, yes. Your father and I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? What is it? Tell us, please.
We are going on a picnic at the lake. We will leave in 1 hour.
That sounds wonderful. I love the lake.
But first, we have some chores to do. We cannot leave yet.
Oh no, I do not like chores. Do I have to clean?
If we work together, we can finish fast. Teamwork is important.
Okay, my room is very messy. I need to pick up my toys. I will put my cars in the red box. One by one.
I am making my bed. It looks much better now.
I am making my bed.
It looks much better now.
I need to pack the food. We need sandwiches and fruit.
I will bring the water and juice. It is hot outside today.
We are done. Our rooms are clean. Can we go now?
Wait, Mike. Put on your shoes. You are still wearing slippers. I am wearing my sneakers. They are good for walking. Is everyone ready? Let's go to the lake!
Look outside. The trees are very green.
I see cows in the field. They are eating grass.
I like this music. It is very relaxing.
We are at the park. Look at the water.
Let's sit under that big tree. There is shade there.
Help me with the blanket, Mike. Pull your side.
The grass is soft. I am taking off my shoes.
Who wants a sandwich? I have turkey and cheese.
I am very hungry. I want an apple first.
Cheers! Happy Saturday!
Look at that butterfly. It is orange and black. I am full now. The food was delicious.
Who wants to play Frisbee? Come on. Come on.
I do. Let's play together.
Catch me if you can. I am fast.
Catch the frisbee, Chrissy. Here it comes.
I got it! That was a good throw, Mom.
Great job, Chrissy. Good catch.
Whoops! I fell down, but I am okay.
Let's walk to the water. Walk slowly. Look at the ducks. 1, 2, 3 ducks.
Shh. Be quiet. There is a frog. The frog is green. It is sitting on a rock.
Smile, everyone. Say cheese.
I am thirsty. I need some cold water.
This flower is yellow. It smells very nice. Kick the ball, Dad. Try to score.
They have so much energy. Be careful, boys. The sun is setting. The sky is turning orange.
It is getting late. What time is it?
It is time to go home. Let's pack up.
I do not want to go. I want to play more.
We must fold the blanket. Nice and neat.
I see some trash. I will pick it up.
We are going home. It was a good day.
Thanks for watching. What new words did you learn? Tell us in the comments below. Good night.